Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Charlie and today I'm going to be giving you my top 5 tips on how to get started with the curly girl method. If you're looking to embrace your natural curls and are looking for a few tips just to get you started, then these should sort of cover the basics of the curly girl method. So my number 1 tip would be to massively reduce or minimise the amount of heat that you're using on your hair. So I'm not strictly curly girl method at all. I make it fit to my lifestyle, so I still diffuse my hair, which obviously uses heat. Yeah, strictly speaking you're supposed to cut out heat completely, but that doesn't work for everyone. But I would just say to minimise the amount of heat you're using on your hair. And a really great way to start incorporating this into your routine is, if you're not comfortable with wearing your hair curly just yet, then wash your hair and instead of blow drying it, straightening it, curling it, whatever, just plait it while it's wet, put some product on, plait it and then sleep on it, and in the morning you'll have really nice loose waves that didn't cost you any damage to your hair. So my number 1 top tip for you if you're looking to start the curly girl method is to completely cut out silicones from your hair routine. So cutting out silicones was the first thing that I noticed making the biggest difference to my hair. I really started to notice a curl to my hair rather than a wave as soon as I stopped using silicone. So there's so many products out on the market at the moment that don't contain silicones or parabens or any other nasties that are really affordable. So my favourite brands are Cantu, As I Am, Shea Moisture, Maui Moisture, and they're all sort of available in the drugstore or in the high street. Tip number 3 would be to wash your hair less. And I speak to people all the time who wash their hair daily or every other day, and they're really shocked when I tell them that I literally wash my hair once a week, absolute maximum. Curly hair naturally is drier than straight hair, so it sort of takes longer for the oils to make your hair look greasy anyway. So the less you wash your hair, the more chance the hair has to absorb the sort of natural oils that come from your scalp. Tip number 4 is a really easy one, and it's simply to swap from using a towel to dry your hair and use a cotton t-shirt. So I just use a cheap old cotton t-shirt, and that works brilliantly to just soak up all the sort of excess water in your hair, but it doesn't cause any breakage that rough towels can. My last tip would be to co-wash. This is a really great one to start out with. So my favourite co-wash is the As I Am coconut co-wash, and you use it how you would a shampoo. So it's very similar in the fact that you want to really massage it into your scalp, and it cleanses the hair, but it's not as stripping as using like a regular shampoo. It's basically half shampoo, half conditioner. And then don't be afraid to follow it up afterwards with regular conditioner as well. The more nourishment and moisture that your hair gets, the curlier it will be. So those are my quick top 5 tips to help you on your way with your curly girl journey. So you want to minimise the amount of heat you're using, you want to wash your hair less, use a t-shirt rather than a towel when you're drying your hair, try co-washing, and most importantly cut out any silicones or sulphates that are in products that you're using. If you've got any questions at all, drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to respond. I'm not an expert, this is just like the tips that I've used in the last few years to get my naturally curly hair where I want it to be. So really hope you're doing well, and I will catch you in my next video.